Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? So remainder theorem states that if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is equal to p of c. Now, let's have an example finding the remainder when the polynomial 8x raised to 3 minus 12x squared plus 16x minus 5 is divided by the given binomial 2x minus 3. So, in order for us to find the remainder of these two polynomials, our first step is for us to equate our binomial 2x minus 3 to 0. So we will have 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then solve for the value of x. So let's transfer negative 3 to the other side of the equation, changing the sign, giving us 2x is equal to positive 3. Then let's divide both sides by 2 to isolate the variable x, giving us x is equal to 3 over 2. And that will be the value of x that we will substitute to our polynomial p of x. So we will replace all variable x by 3 over 2. Okay, so let's proceed to changing all the value of x by 3 over 2. So let's have p of 3 over 2 is equal to 8 times 3 over 2 raised to 3 minus 12 times 3 over 2 squared plus 16 times 3 over 2 minus 5. So we'll replace all variable x by 3 over 2. Then let's simplify using the order of operation. So simplifying, starting with 8 times 3 over 2 raised to 3. So 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. So that will give us 27 over 8. And then minus 12. So let's simplify this. So 3 over 2 squared, that will be 9 over 4. Okay? Plus 16 times 3 over 2 minus 5. Then our next step is for us to multiply. So let's multiply 8 and 27 over 8. So we can cancel 8 and 8 because they are both divisible by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1, giving us 27. Next, negative 12 times 9 over 4. So we can simplify this, canceling our 12 and 4. Since they are both divisible by 4, let's divide them by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 4 will become 1. Then negative 3 times 9, that is negative 27 divided by 1, negative 27. Okay, next let's proceed to 16 times 3 over 2. Now let's simplify this. We can cancel 16 and 2 because they are both divisible by 2. We can divide 16 and 2 by 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now, 8 times 3, that is 24. 24 divided by 1 is 24. So, positive 24. And then we just copy negative 5. Then, let's combine from left to right. So, 27 minus 27 plus 24 minus 5. That will give us p of 3 over 2 is equal to 19. P of 3 over 2 is equal to 19. Therefore, our remainder will be positive 19. So, 19 is our remainder. Alright, so this will be our final answer. Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.